In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order shoes from GOAT. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and most convenient way to browse through all of the sneakers, apparel, and accessories sold by GOAT is through their website at goat.com. You can visit this page, like I said, on your computer or your phone through a web browser. Once you arrive at goat.com, you can scroll up and down to browse through all of the items. In here, you have plenty of options to choose from, but for this video I'm gonna focus on the sneakers. The process of purchasing anything on GOAT is going to be exactly the same. Once you find any item over here that satisfies you, you will be able to add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. So you can browse through these little icons or click the option at the right side to see multiple items in detail. You can filter them out by brand, category, gender, size, and plenty of other options. Browse through all of them until you find one that satisfies you. Like I said, anything that you see here can be added to your cart and purchased. Once you click on any items, you can see the pictures, get more details about them, and at the bottom, usually for shoes, there is going to be a difference in size and price. So in here, browse through all of the sizes and the price is going to be displayed underneath the size. You can choose to buy new, and as you can see, there are going to be plenty of listings. Some of these are going to be new, undamaged, while others might be new with the box damaged, others might be very damaged, and you have to choose according to what you want to get. Some of them will have discounts under retail, so just choose whichever one you believe is best or most worth your money. You can also make an offer for any of these and set the price that you're willing to pay until someone goes up to the offer that you made. For this video, I'm gonna focus on buying new. You will also notice that your shopping region is gonna be displayed here. If this is not correct, make sure to click on this and change it as necessary. For now, I'm gonna leave it on the United States. So select whichever option you want to purchase from these ones, and if it is available, you will be able to proceed right away to checkout. You can sign into a GOAT account optionally or just check out as a guest. You will then have to include your contact information, choose the payment option, and then review everything. Since this contains a lot of personal information, I'm not going to do this process in full. I'm just going to make up some email and phone number to demonstrate how this would look like. But as you might expect, make sure that you fill this out with valid information and double check to see if everything is correct. As long as you include valid and legitimate information over here, you can proceed to the payment window, choose one of the valid payment methods, and complete this order. As you can see, it is giving me an error because this address is not real like I mentioned previously, so make sure you have everything right. The process from this point onwards is very straightforward. I simply cannot show you this on video, but all you would have to do is choose usually a credit or debit card and review your purchase. It is going to get delivered straight to you. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy shoes on GOAT. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.